We're back at Welaka, Florida at Renegades on the river camping out. And for this cook today, I'm doing a few new things for me. I'm going to cook some wings on a cedar plank board. Inspiration came right from the Weber website. And oh, by the way, I'm going to cook this on a Weber Little Smokey Joe and finish them off with a ghost pepper and strawberry glaze. For this little Weber, we're going direct cook today. Okay, let's get them bad boys spread out. Yeah, get this in here like so. Get our lid on here. I want this temperature today about 350 degrees. I've got the bottom vents wide open right now, and once we get to 350, we'll start closing it down. We can even go up to 400 if we need. So Tammy's going to go ahead and get the sauce, the ingredients prepared for the sauce. We need some fresh strawberries. She's got one ghost pepper there. Believe it or not, because the weather's been so warm here, we still have ghost peppers growing at home. You're going to need some barbecue sauce. Pick whatever you want. I'm using this Cherrywood Smoke chocolate barbecue sauce from Kettlewood. This was sent to me from peppers.com. And then the other thing we're going to need for this sauce is some honey. These are the key ingredients. Now, if you don't want yours to be this spicy, you can leave out the ghost pepper. You can replace it with the jalapeno. You can leave the pepper out altogether. And along with this strawberry sauce, I'm going to put in about, I would say almost a half a cup of barbecue sauce. All right. Then what I've got is that honey I showed you earlier. We're going to put in, that's probably close to, I would say, a third of a cup of honey. Okay. And then I'm going to add a couple of splashes, maybe 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. If you don't want the tart or the tang, then you can leave that step out, okay? So all we're going to do now is simmer this sauce, let all these flavors marry together. And my grill's right at 390. So I just wanted to show you, I've been soaking this cedar plank. It's been soaking here probably 2.5 hours. I think, some people say an hour minimum. But we're going to get this over to that Weber kettle and get this thing going. All right, so all we're going to do is place our cedar board on here, let it heat up on each side, kill any nastiness that could possibly be on the board. Now, I'm learning, I know all you guys out there use these Weber kettles and are pros, but I'm learning to use this thing. I've got the top here, it's not even open a third. It got up over 400 degrees on me. And I got the bottom open about the same. It's been about 10 minutes. We're just going to turn this plank over. Kill anything on the other side. Let it go 10 more minutes, and then we're going to move in with the wings. What I've got here is a pound of chicken wings. What I did was I took a third of a cup of olive oil, mixed in a tablespoon and a half of Chipotle powder seasoning, mix it up real good, put the wings in, sealed it up, mixed them around, and let them marinate in the fridge for about 2 hours. Okay, now we're going to get those wings on. And I doubt that they're all going to fit on here, but we're going to put on as many as we can. The temperature of this guy right now is right at 370, and I'm sure having this lid off, it's going to crank on up there a few degrees. I don't think this will take too long. I'm thinking 20, 30 minutes max each side at this higher temperature. Okay, there's our wings. Let's get this lid on. It's been 20 minutes. We're going to check on these. Oh, look at that color. It's looking nice. You can certainly smell the cedar. Looks like they got a ways to go, but I am going to go ahead and turn them. Oh, color's looking good, I'll say that. And so far, I'll be very honest with you, The biggest challenge I've had in this cook is the temperature management. It seems like each time I open this up, the temp drops quite a bit, so I'm constantly adjusting these vents. But, you know, I'm not a Weber guru like a lot of you guys are. We're going to keep cooking, though. I'm sure in the end we'll get where we need to be. My wing sauce has been simmering here, I don't know, I would estimate about 20 minutes. I hope you can see that. The color is just beautiful. Last thing I'm going to do, 1 stick of butter. That's right. We're talking sheen on the color, creamy on the flavor. Got a little piece of paper there I missed. So I'm just going to incorporate this butter, then our sauce will be all ready. Okay, it's been 20 minutes now on this side. Oh, look, they're looking great. Cedar's working on them. I'm just going to turn them over again. They're not cooked enough for me. But I certainly love the color and the smell these guys have. I'll have them sticking a little bit. Oh, look at that, look at that. Oh, yeah. It's been an hour and 15 minutes. These wings are done, okay? Now you could just toss them in that sauce we made if you wanted. I'm just going to drizzle it right on them on this plank. Okay, we got the ghost pepper in there. Just don't want them to be too hot for me. You know how I'm a pansy when it comes to this. I've got our Cedar-Planked strawberry ghost pepper wings. You know, shows up for the tasting. You ready?
Yeah.
Pick the one you want.
This one.
I always like flats too. Okay. Oh, they're hot. We should have probably let them rest a little bit more.
They're extremely hot.
Yep.
Haha.
But they're crispy.
They're very crispy.
Hot.
Hot. They're really good though. Yum. You can taste the chocolate.
Mm-hmm. So they're crispy. They turned out great. I think I mentioned during the cook, the hardest part for me was getting the temperature right. Each time I'd open it, it would drop significantly.
Yum. You can taste the cedar too.
I definitely taste. Sorry. I definitely taste the cedar smoke.
Yeah, you can.
And then I taste the strawberry. Spice is in the background, don't you think?
Yep. It's amazing that one pepper you can still taste it.
Yeah, you get the spice. If you think jalapenos are hot, then don't use this. Use a jalapeno because in the sauce, it's kind of, what's the word? Milds out, blends out, whatever the word is. These aren't like scorching. They might. There's a lingering. It kind of is building in the back, isn't it? Well, what would you say the heat level is?
Like a 3.
Yeah, not too bad.
But it's only one pepper. I'm telling you, that pepper is hot.
So, total cook time was an hour and 20 minutes. I'm sure they could have been cooked just a little bit sooner, quicker. As I've mentioned, like for the third time now, sorry for being redundant. Just had challenges managing the fire in that little bitty cooker. It's the first time I've used it, not to make excuses or anything. But I don't know if you can hear that, but they are crispy on the outside. Really nice cedar smoke. Thanks for watching another one of our videos. We're out here in Welaka, Florida, enjoying the day. If you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, you'll be notified of all of our new videos.